Neem my op vlerking al ek wil soos jy op duisend reënboë dans net soos jy. Neem my op vlerking al laat my verstaan om deur die wêreld met jou boodskap te gaan.
Bokka is ons laaste matrikulant vir die aand en sy is een van die stiller kinders in die klas, maar altyd so 'n stout glimlag gee om die mond. En daar was sy tussen Mansie en Boipelo sit, die plek van groot lawaai, het ek al baie gewonder of Bokka nie dalk die grootste oorsaak van die lawaai is nie. Stille waters, diepe grond. Vir Bokka kan jy altyd deur 'n ring trek. Haar stemtoon is altyd dieselfde, haar by konstant. Elke vriendekring, elke familie en elke klas het so 'n standvastige karakter nodig. Dames en here, dalk stil, maar definitief met 'n presence. Bokkamosa Rampau.
I fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment I bring, put it on everything, that I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy, cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment we'll be vindicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they